Buona Domenica.
Ciao
and
guys.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday
It's also Mother's Day
in Australia.
Yeah, in Australia tomorrow.
Yes.
Today's Saturday. We're filming on a Saturday, and we've put together a very short video of the week we've just had.
Yes.
We have
moving.
finally got everything out, and everything's in storage. We managed to get everything in half a garage.
Yes, a half garage, 3 by 3 meters.
Yes.
Packed to the hilts.
We are so tired.
Yes.
We are so,
In a
so
busy,
tired.
stressful. Well, not that stressful.
Hasn't
but
been stressful,
busy.
we're just tiring.
Yes.
and busy, yes. And just the travelling back and forth.
Yep.
Expect to go back to clean it the following day.
That's right.
And we have now moved into a small little granny flat
Yes.
for 3 weeks.
Yep.
And we've visited the kids. We've seen
have.
them. We've seen them three days in a row.
times. Yes, 3 days in a row. It's only a few minutes down the
They're
road.
only just a few minutes down the
Yeah.
road. So we might even include this morning's baking.
Oh yes, yes. I had to use their oven because where we're staying doesn't have an oven.
Doesn't
It has
have
a
an oven.
kitchenette. So we use
It
their
has
oven.
one.
Of course, I had to make them a loaf of bread as well as us.
Yes. So we'll include really quick footage of the bread there as well. And just the garden where we're staying. It's a beautiful garden
Beautiful
here.
day.
It's just gorgeous, beautiful sunny day.
Yep.
All right, so we'll just sign off there. And next week I'm going to do a really short video on how I pack. I've had a couple of people ask me how I pack
Yes.
carry on, like 7 kilos and under, to go overseas for.
That's right. I
You
think
know,
we're down
5,
to
6
maybe
months.
18 sleeps when this is aired.
Yes,
So,
yes, tomorrow. Yes.
yes.
So we'll do that next week for you. Yes.
Yep.
All right. Ciao. Ci vediamo.
Alla prossima.
The bed has been pulled apart, ready to vacuum the carpets. It's extremely heavy, very solid timber. And then there was only 2 lounges left, which are going to be taken up over the balcony and hoisted down, which is how our timber bed was done.
I'll hold it there and then when he's run down. No, bro, just let it go. We got to try on it. Oh, right, yeah, we're going to try on it. Hang on. Well, you wrap your finger like that.
Success. It's taken an hour to get out of the house. And we're out. We've left our home on the way to put everything into storage. And how are you feeling, Michael?
Oh, a bit of relief now. It's all in the truck and on its way.
That's right.
But hopefully the storage container we've hired is big enough.
Yes. Well, we'll wait and see.
Yes.
But yes, on our way now. Unloading here to go into storage. And Michael's having a break on the office chair.
Sore legs.
Sore legs. Sit on the lounge if you like.
I think we need a wide angle lens. Hang on. There you go. Yeah, sit on the lounge. Off you go.
Is it safe to sit on the lounge? That was a long day.
Yes. I
It's
think
been a long 24 hours.
So we arrived about 7:30 a.m. or just after, and it's now probably about 2:15 in the afternoon.
Yes, but there was an hour and 20 minutes travelling from the Central
Yes,
Coast to
true.
Sydney in that
Yeah.
time.
Yep.
And probably about 3/4 of an hour waiting for a extra hand to get the lounge over.
And then
The balcony.
probably half an hour by the time we got here, found out where we were going and getting the truck organised around the back.
That's
Yeah.
right. We had to find our unit
Yeah.
and speak to someone at the reception. So
Is this where we go to sleep?
I think I'm ready.
No, let's go check in.
And we've arrived, and this is the front part of the place we're staying at. Now we're in a very old heritage area. That's hence why you see this sort of fence. Original sandstone. And we've arrived at our Airbnb, and look what greets us. We have access to this beautiful garden, and you probably can see why we chose this area. Oh, old-fashioned hills hoist. And this is our place. Look at these gorgeous tree and plants. We have an outdoor area to eat. Oh, I'm not too sure what this plant is. That's definitely a charming garden. All we're worried about is it might be infested with mosquitoes. We'll see when we dine out here. Okay. Oh yes, and we have chickens. I'll have to video them later. We have a lounge, fridge, wardrobe, bed, and one of the reasons we did want this place was it has the kitchen, and we do want to cook while we're here. And here is our bathroom. Small and compact, functional and practical. Our flowers have a new home. Maybe there's a vase in this Airbnb that I can transplant them. And I gave the second lot of flowers to our Airbnb host, and they were so happy with the little gift from our garden. And our chook pen. They're actually behind the back here. I could see, oh, there's one. Oh, no, there's two. Could see them. Okay, they're hiding. Oh, we even have a little rock pool here, little pond. Oh, I'm going to love this garden. Got some, I think they're lemons, might not be able to see. Actually, it could be a grapefruit, it's that big. And after a really long day, we thought we'd spoil ourselves. What are you having, Michael?
Cannoli.
And I've already gotten into half mine as well.
I sent it to my mum.
I received your one. Having technical problems here today.
What's wrong?
I received it.
Love the skylight here. And here's Monica doing a photo shoot. Freshly baked bread.
In my belly.
Yes, in your belly.